Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of new leads from the Google Lead form to the Sendinblue email marketing service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead form to other systems. For example, in Sendinblue you can create new contacts, set up email newsletters for them, and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select one of the sources from which you want to receive new data. In this case, choose Google Lead Form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead form. In this case, choose Sendinblue, Add Contacts. At this stage, we need to connect the Google Lead form account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give a name to this account or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now we copy the URL for receiving data and go to the Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section and go to the Assets section. Now select the necessary lead form from which we want to receive new leads. In the lead form settings, go to the Integrations section. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After that, click Send Test Data. Next, click Save and return to your personal account, Save My Leads. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your Sendinblue account to the Save My Leads system. To do this, you must specify an API key. In order to receive it, go to your personal account Sendinblue. Then go to the Settings section. Go to the SMTP API section. In this section, click Create a new API key. In this window, specify a name for the new key. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Then you need to select the list to which we will transfer new leads from the Google Lead form. Now you see the Sendinblue fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from the Google Lead form to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. If you are satisfied with the field presets, you can leave them unchanged. After all the settings, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Sendinblue as new data for each new lead from the Google Lead form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Sendinblue. After successful sending, go to Sendinblue and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from the Google Lead form to be instantly transferred to Sendinblue as new contacts, you need to enable auto update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.